How to turn off message request on Instagram. Simply open your Instagram application, then tap on your profile. Now simply tap on the menu or the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then simply scroll down, and under how others can interact with your session, there will be find message and story replies. Simply tap on there. And at the very top you'll find message requests. Simply tap there, and from here you'll be able to control who can send you message requests. So simply tap on no one, and if you want to hide unwanted message requests also, simply tap on this button icon right over here. And if you don't want to be added to any group chat, simply tap on people you follow or have messages before only. And that's it, guys. In this way you'll be able to turn off message requests on Instagram, and you can anytime change the settings and get it to previous one. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.